Welcome to AVCLabs channel. Here we will show you how to fix blurry pictures via AVCLabs Photo Enhancer AI. It helps fix blurry landscape photographs and make landscape photos look better. Sharpen wildlife photos to get better pictures. Fix blurry portraits to get high-quality portraits or selfies. Fix motion blur pictures to get back stunning results in no time. Convert low-quality anime photos into high-resolution posters or wallpapers. Fix blurry night pictures to restore the natural look. Let's see how to use AVCLabs Photo Enhancer AI to fix and sharpen blurry pictures. Add blurry pictures to AVCLabs Photo Enhancer AI. Switch the snapshot to check blurry pictures. Before getting started, let's select the AI processor and set the max memory consumption. Select the AI Upscaler model. Choose the output image size. Choose the output image format. Click on the eye icon to preview the sharpening effect. Zoom in or zoom out to see the details. You can also preview the original and sharpened picture side by side. Let's check the next photo. For portrait photo, turn on the face refinement option. Zoom in or zoom out to see the details. Turn off the face refinement option. Drag the slider bar to see the comparison between the original and sharpened picture. Preview the original and sharpened picture side by side. Zoom in to see the details. Click on the Save All button to sharpen blurry pictures. Thanks for watching. If you like our video, please click subscribe.